Hey everybody, it's Paula from Craftin' by the Pond. I hope you're having a fab-tabulous day. I am on here to share with you a Hansel and Gretel junk journal kit that I purchased from Scrap Be More, the nonprofit craft reuse store in Baltimore, Maryland. And so let's get into it, shall we? This one is a Hansel and Gretel, and it was $3. Are you kidding me? I didn't even pay $3 for this. I paid $1.50 because on the day that I went, everything was half off. Now, this junk journal kit is actually a little thinner than the other ones I've picked up, and the reason for that is because my granddaughter actually is a junk journaler, and she's got some skills. So there were a lot of items in this pack that she wanted that we pulled out for her. And but anyway, this is an original, this is a golden book, and the Hansel and the Gretel, the artwork is just amazing. And let's see, this one, copyright 1954. And it looks every bit the part. So you can see it's not golden anymore. It's turning silver. But here, this is an old book, you guys. Look at the back of this book. Beautiful. And so the artwork, again, in these books is amazing. And like I said, this is the oldest out of all of the books that were available. If she had a golden book there with the ephemera pack, I bought them. And it looks like somebody who owned this previously had already started kind of dissecting it. I don't think things have come out of it, but I mean, it's just, this just made my heart so happy. So anyway, there's that. This one had like a lot of recipe cards in there. Recipe cards, and had this beautiful doily. Some more, to practice your handwriting. There were some cards in here. The flowers, the real pretty flowers. Flashcards, division. Blah. This looks like it's a Franken-tag, and it's been embossed and with different cuts of paper that somebody had made. This is an old parcel post label, a seam binding wrapper, 3 yards, 19 cents. Yeah, what year is this from? But yeah, how cool is that? And it's the actual, for the seam binding. Here is a map tag, and it looks like, I don't know, and it's actually from Baltimore. Somebody did it, and it's made out of map material, but it's an envelope. So that's cool. I'm going to pull this one aside so I can make sure I put it in my scrapbook from our trip. This is another phone message, a flashcard, guest check, an old charge sheet. There's actually 2. And then this is the piece de resistance. It's Mrs. Watson's Retta sugar cookies, and somebody actually hand wrote on there. This is like an actual recipe from someone for these cookies. So that's cool, and it was in this like library card, and this is like, this thing is old. This is really, really old. It's actually like typed out on there. Like, how cool is that? This looks like it's an old like school book page. Remember our little phonics books we used to have? Some handwriting paper, some music notes. This beautiful piece of wallpaper. I don't know if you can see with the bird. This is just amazing. Another instructions for some old dress form. So that was the Hansel and Gretel. I'll go ahead and I will do the next one that I have. It is called the Color Kittens. again, this was $3. You can see $3. The color kittens, $3. And I only paid $1.50 for this kit as well. This one is intact. So everything that you see in here is original to what was included. There is this beautiful trim in here, soft, and then the color kittens, a little golden book, and you can see somebody scribbled on it. This is from, look, it was only 89 cents back in the day when somebody bought it. This one, copyright 1958, and it was renewed in 1977. So this is from 1977, and it's just a book about cats apparently who like to paint. So I love to paint and I love cats, so I picked that up. And then this looks like this is also a different, just a different, you know, book about colors. I don't think it has, oh no, it is. It's the color cats, but it's a different, like this is different paper, if that makes sense. So how cute. More of the color cats. And there we go. So there's a ton. And then this bag was in there and it was stuffed with items. This is an envelope that looks like somebody made this. It's all embossed up and it's ready to go. It looks like it's just a tag. It kind of looks like it's an envelope, but it's just a tag. Some more division sheets, a doily, some more of these cards, division, more of the message papers, the guest checks, hot pink library card. Oh, and a bingo card. Look, missus. Bingo. And then just a paint swatch, some more little flashcards. Another one of those tags that somebody did. Oh, okay. So what they did is it looks like this is a piece of, you know, a pattern, and they embossed it and then glued it, to make a tag. And so this is a cute little card. It says, "Please come to my birthday party." Little kitten. And then two more cards, guest checks, more cards, and then these, triplicate. This one's in triplicate, so that's a good one to have. Here's another one of those, rosettes that somebody made, this fabric rosette and sewed it on this tag. So that was that. There's some more dress pattern material in here. This pretty blue sash, and then a nice piece of fabric. It's kind of like, yeah, it's lace, I think, but not really. It's like a different, but it's, you know, it's very pretty. This is an embossed piece of, it looks like it's wallpaper. And then another piece of the same, looks like there's two of the same in there. Here is a heart. Some music pages, some more wallpaper, and another sheet of wallpaper, and a large doily, another paint swatch, and then I think these are, yeah, there's highlight pictures of cats. They're just pictures of cats in the cover. Some more cats. Okay, this looks like, you know, our little workbook from school. And just some other papers in here. I don't know why that one's in there. It's kind of random. Just looks like, oh no, it's from the highlights. It has more pictures of the cats. These are kind of cutesy. I don't know. C for cat. If I'll hang on to these or not. I don't know. I'll put them in the stash and see what happens with them. Some more handwriting sheets, some more workbook pages, and look how precious. Love it. Look at that. Let's see. Kitty, kitty, kitty. My supervisor is currently napping in the room, in the window. And this is the Wonderful Magician. He's up here. And then this is called the Smart Little Kitty. And then some more cat pictures. Some more of the color cats. And let's see, the tallest tail. Oh, probably this one's in there because there's a little kitty right there. Okay, so that will do it for this edition of Scrap Be More Reuse Store, the Colorful Kittens, Junk Journaling, and the Hansel and Gretel one. Again, if you're ever in the Baltimore area, go check them out. Amazing store, great people. And I hope you guys have a great day. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll be back to show you the Alice in Wonderland junk journal kit that I picked up. And I'm also going to share with you my Alice in Wonderland stuff that I have been collecting now probably for about a year and a half. So I can do an Alice in Wonderland junk journal. Okay, guys, I hope you're having a great day. I'll be back soon. Bye.